Create Pandas DataFrame from a string. In order to test some functionality, I would like to create a data frame from a string. Let's say my test data looks like. What is the simplest way to read that data into a Pandas data frame?
A simple way to do this is to use stringio.stringio, -2, or io.stringio, -3, and pass that to the pandas.read_csv function. E.g. Split method.
In one line, but first import IO. A quick and easy solution for interactive work is to copy and paste the text by loading the data from the clipboard. Select the content of the string with your mouse. In the Python shell, use read_clipboard. Use the appropriate separator.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.